it came the other package. A Poppy Playtime Chapter 2 plushies merch. And here's Kissy Missy. She might look weird, but when I open her, she'll look better. Yeah, she'll look better. And we got Huggy. Yeah, there's like little holes right here, so I can open it. Yeah, I also got her a shirt right here. Okay, I got a shirt right here. Yep, I'll just leave it down there, and we'll just open and see how it feels. I can explain how it feels. You can't feel how it feels. Wow, it feels. What? It looks goofy. Well, that's how it looks. Hello, let me go grab the other one. Ah. Okay, so. Ah. They look nothing like. But yeah, they look nothing like. This one got a skinny little neck. Let's open. Let's see, hold on. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Alright, let me just move this guy. And this one over here. And while we open this one right here. Just missing. Damn. It has no little dots and eyes like the other one. But like, dang. Okay. I guess that's it for today. Oh, actually, no, it's not. It's not done. We're not done with it. Let me just move the plushie. And then we move over to my shirt. I got. That's how it looks. This is the logo, the bow tie, and the face, the tag. I'm not sure what that's for, but yeah, that's the shirt. Okay, now let's just hoppity doppity bibbity bobbity. Yeah, bam. Okay, now let's strap the other one, the one with its mouth open, and the smiley huggy. I don't know what. I accidentally just drew him. Okay, let me just fix him a little bit. Let me just fix his fur so we don't look like goofy. My name's Huggy Wuggy. They changed the Velcro hands. They don't look the same as the other one. The hands are like more like stuffed for the smiley one. The bow tie is sad. It looks like it just got in water. Like yeah. Okay, guys. I guess that's it. Yeah, we can't forget about the shirt. Hold up. We just put this. Okay, never mind. We could just leave it there. Bam. Okay, we don't need this. We'll just keep it right there. Yeah, this is Huggy, the smiley one. This is kissy missy, and then bam, and most certainly chapter 1, huggy wuggy. It might not look that different. You know what I was thinking of? I was thinking maybe I should I was thinking to like if they look the same, which they don't. Kind of sad. Hold on, let me grab the other one. Okay, grab the other one. I was thinking maybe you should have like I don't know, like same form, something blah blah blah, la 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 la. This one's first more chubby, and this one's first more skinny, which I like this one, and like this one. They all look cute, especially the one over there, and yeah. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't see that, they don't have the white dot in their eye. This one does, because he's crazy. He's crazy. This one's hand is like stuffed. Like literally stuffed, and this one's like moisty. Like I don't know how to say it. Yeah, obviously it has it on the foot. They do not look the same. Not the same. As you can see, this one's more bigger and this one's more smaller. I'm pretty sure the people who made it in China, I'm pretty sure they make it different, which obviously they do, but yeah, I guess that's it. I just fix them a little bit, and I fix the other one a little bit just by, like, you know. Oh, damn camera! It's not camera. It's like a. Okay, whatever. Yeah, it's like it looks like it's all busted. So that's why I'm gonna fix it. And yes, you guys might think I got the mommy long legs one, which I did, and it's not here yet because it's pre-order. The other ones aren't because they are being worked on since chapter 1 came out. I do not know, but yeah. Oh yeah, if you guys want this one, it's out of stock, sadly. These aren't. You could still get them. You could, yeah, it's fine. Yeah. So, again, that's the end of the video. Now, they say hi. And this one says bye, 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 and this one says bye. This one says bye. The other one over there, Kissy Missy, says bye too. Bye. My shirt says bye. And you go, you know, me, myself. I can't forget. But I have to say bye too. This might be a long video, but who cares? Who cares? Okay. That's a cut right there. I'm gonna cut it right there. Bye.